have a broken tab on the Ethernet cable, or you have a broken part inside the Ethernet port itself. In both cases, the cable cannot stay firmly inside and can easily slip off. So I'm going to show a method how of fixing this, a quick fix using some screws. I have here 3 screws. You can see they have different pitch gaps. So based on my experience, it's better to use the one with a wider pitch gap, not this type. It's better to use this type or this type. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Put it in and add this place where the tab is supposed to be. You put in a screw and just turn it a few turns. Remember not to over tighten it because you may break the port, but also make sure it's firm enough. So in this way it's really firm. So I'm also going to show you how to I'm using this as a demonstration. This is a router. So for my case, my router has a broken part inside the Ethernet port, so I have put in this. Okay, then using a screw, put it here. Just turn, just 2 or 3. Actually, less than 2 turns is enough. Okay, let's see, it's very firm. Or this is using a broken Ethernet cable. This is a broken Ethernet cable. I can also use a full Ethernet cable in case it's a port having problem. So you just put it in, and this time you may need a smaller screw, not so thick one, and put in between the tab, and again just turn 1 to 3 turns until it's firm, and also try not to break it. So this is very firm. Okay, that's what I want to share. Thank you for watching.